open na. Ayan, ang ganda dito, guys. So, mag-picture naman sana tayo dito, oh. Anong ginagawa mo dyan, Beshi?
Hatching.
Hatchling? Hatching? Hindi ko alam. Ayan,
Hatch
hatchoo!
ng egg. See?
So, nag-iisa siya doon, nag-e-emote siya. Let's go, guys. We're enjoying the sa prehistoric muna tayo. You want?
Prehistoric. Right there, boys.
Saan ba? Saan yung gusto? Tingnan mo, ito Discovery Trail.
Dito muna tayo.
Oo nga, dito Wild Canada sabi.
Pakita na natin yan dun sa...
This one o wild? Wild Canada first.
Oh, Wild
Pangalang
Canada.
ulan.
Mag-picture tayo dyan.
Kasi pagka-ulan na
Wait lang guys, so we're gonna move inside the Wild Canada. Tingnan natin what's inside here. Under the sky, we are one, sabi. Kakagutom ginugutom na si Mi. The journey begins with a single step. A winding pathway unfolds ahead. Alright. Excited yung mga bata. Oh. Bison, sorry. You are here. Bison Inn. Nauna ni dalawang bata. There's an airplane. So more on outdoor. Buti na kasama yung weather, guys. Hindi na siya nag-uulan. What's in there? Oh, the bison. Ayun yung bison. Malayo nga nung bison. Tsak.
Hindi bison yan.
Hindi ba bison? You, ate. 1, 2. Sige, ate muna. 1.
Give me that one first.
You want selfie? Let's continue. That's yung girls. Ito yung mga, anong tawag dyan, daddy?
Bighorn sheep.
Bighorn sheep. Kinain nila? Buti na kasama ang ulan. Thank you, Lord.
Kaya outdoor muna tayo.
Outdoor kami muna eh. Rocky Mountain. Rocky Mountains. Ayan. Ganda, guys. Sarap mamasyal. Eh, sa Pilipinas, di nga pa ako nakarating ng zoo. So, it's my first time pa. Go to the zoo. Hindi pa ako nakarating ever. Dito lang. So we can see here the Rocky Mountain goat. So ay dito mag-picture tayo dito. Bakit? Oh, beautiful oh. No animal here. Where's the Rocky Mountain goat? She's hiding. It's hiding. The goat of climbing Rocky Mountains. Hey guys, wala si Rocky Mountain goat. Nag-hide siya. Ayaw niya magpakita. Asan na kaya? Ay, yung cellphone ko! Halika na mo ni.
Nakaipit na.
Where are you? Charing. We're here! Squirrel naman yung meron. Wala siya guys. Nagtago siya. Baka under the under there. Charot. Okay, let's move because it's not here. What's that oh, the green one? Tas kasan ng uso. My squirrel! Where's your friend? Oh, nandoon! Sabi niya. There too. Diba? Next. Bree, wait for ate. Boreal Forest. Get in the packet.
I will give you one by one, okay? So that they can...
Cute naman ng ate ko. Dito tayo sa dito. Gusto niyo mag-picture dito? Boring. Boring daw. Okay. Ano pa? Dito tayo? Parang pabalik. Yan.
It's not allowed food, but I like.
Yeah. You're a good girl. Buti na lang, hindi siya umuulan ng malakas, guys. Thank you, Lord. Talaga. Kasi ang daming batang mga nag field trip ngayon kasabay namin. Ay, there's something. I heard something. Ayun na yung polar bear, guys. Let's see the polar bear.
Oh, there you go.
Ano yun? Ayun na ate, oh. Ate, camera mo.
Why do I have
Come on here, you can see it here. Yeah, we can see the polar bear. Go to ate. Polar bear now. Oh my God! The polar bear is here, baby Bree. Ayan na siya. Guys. Ang cute, baby. Dito, o, doon kay daddy. Yan. Sorry. Sorry. Ayan na guys, yung polar bear, oh.
Ano po siya?
So cute. Look at that. So cute.
Hindi pa siya mag-swimming.
Kaya nga eh. Nice. You like it, Bree?
Pause niya.
She's coming. It's coming. Wow.
Polar bear.
I can take a picture of you, baby Bree. Cute niya, guys. Grabe eh.
I like the hug.
I hope it will come here. Okay, there. Go. You can go. You can go with them, Bree. Wala doon? Ayun na si Bree.
Is it going to look at the class?
It's hiding. It's hiding now.
Where's the two?
Here, in my pocket. the polar bear. Oo nga. Teka, nasa cave yung isa. It's the ball. Dito tayo sa polar bear sanctuary. Lumalangoy siya eh.
Ganun siguro to, no? Pag winter, no?
Kaya,
Solid yung kapal mo.
gusto ko yung lumalangoy siya dito.
Fingers na ano na.
Lalim. Grabe. Sobrang lalim yan. Ang laki-laki niya eh.
Doon na siya, oh, tara na.
Tara, puntaan natin siya. Live at the intersection of land, ice, and sea. Grabe guys. So cute. Bree! 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 Let's go! Let's find the polar bear. Ang laki ng ano niya. Bahay niya. Tatago naman si Beshi. Hindi ka makita. Siya ba yun? Oo, andun siya. Oh my God, there. Ang layo naman. So far. Uy, bumalik siya doon.
Go inside.
Dito kaya yun? This, baby Bree. Building a bear. Laki ng paw niya. Is this really the paw? Laki, oh.
Big.
This
It's the front.
Ooh, sunblock and swimsuit, a little extra.
Pero pag tinitingnan mo siyang naglalakad ang cute.
Ang cute, no? Pero,
Pag nakita ng isang anak ko yun.
kaya nga di sila pwede. Tataul-taulan yan, no? My, what big teeth you have. Ooh, it's like a Caesar. Dual purpose paws. So their paws are like puddles. Little extra insulation.
Yan na, naunahan na tayo ng second floor.
Tara na.
Mamaya na mauna sila. Kasi
Tayo.
alam ko, hindi naman nagtatagal yan mga.
May oras sila eh. Okay, let's move guys. Going. What's in next? Lion, oh my God, I'm so... Deer, Canada. Oh, deers are coming. Yeah. Capture ko na lang dito, harap kayo. Let's move na, guys, to our next destination. Yeah. So, tingnan natin. Wala tayong nakita pa yung polar bear pa lang. At least nakita natin. Kaya lang di natin siya nakitang lumalangoy. Tundra. Nice here. May bata nang nagpabuhat. Oh my goodness. What can you see there? Tuloy ang lakbay. Facing challenges head on. Oh my God. Okay, so
Cry, I'm not gonna give you anymore.
baba ka na.
Get down. Daddy enjoy.
It's like money.
Hindi pa kasi kami kumakain, guys, eh. So, where's the polar bear? Inside. How many polar bears are there? Ayan.
One is right there.
That's really far. Okay, let's move, guys. Please stay on the path. Sabi, oh. Kahit bibidyoan ko kayo. So, ngayon naka-backpack si Daddy kasi yung mga jacket ng dalawa nandun sa bag. More on walking tayo dito. Sayang di natin naabutan na lumalangoy yung polar bear. Ay, ayun siya oh. Nakahiga.
Yeah, I found
She's
it.
laying down, right?
Mama, I found it.
Yeah, good job, baby. So let's find the polar bear. Hindi ko makita dito. Pengi ate ah. Andun siya, guys. Hello. Ayun yung isa sa loob ng cage. Pero ano yun, open cage yun. Napakalawak ng ano nila naman, place nila pag-iikutan. Pengi ako niya nate ah. So cute, did you see it? There oh.
Pinya ginagawa niya.
No, you can see it. So daddy. Diba, taste ganda?
Yeah, okay.
They're laying down. Ayun oh.
No, why you
Ayun. Oh, yan. Oh, careful. So cold, guys.
It's like this. Leading them.
Luwang ng ano yung daming tao din, guys. Tara. Monday kami nagpunta para walang ganong tao. Pero may mga rami kaming kasabay din na mga nag-field trip na mga bata and young families. Grabe, lamig. You wanna wear your jacket now? Wait lang. Guys, umuulan. Mag-hoodie ka na ate? Ayaw mo pa? Ang ganda ng outfitan din. Parang mga makaluma. Ano? I love it. Oh? Totoo? Kahit camera? Souvenir shop oh. Tingin tayo ng ano babe. Tingin tayo ng ano magnets. Oo. Oo, di ka. Tingin tayong magnets. No buying of ano toys na. Ayan lang. You tell daddy. There's more there, Aubrey. Etong small lang, Aubrey.
Daddy, can I have a stuffy? Stuffy.
Toy na naman. Oo nga. Ano bang maganda? Ito gusto ko. Ano maganda, babe? Hindi ni ate. Ito gusto ko po, oh. Tsaka. Well. Tsaka. Saan? Ano ito? Or yan, oh. Or. Ano? Ito. Okay ba ito? Ah, ito. Yan na lang. Huwag na yan. Yan, para yan. Yan. Okay, sorry, I'm sorry. Okay, come here.
Can I have
What's how much? 11. Dito, mas maganda. 14.
No, but I like this.
Okay. Yung keychain. I don't like keychain magnets lang. Meron din sila mga... Ayun na, two. May mugs, cups, keychains, bracelets, shirts, jackets, shoes. Oh, sorry. Art cards meron din sila. That's what you will get? Very small. want a bigger one. This one, oh. Kaya nga, ayun.
Oh,
Oh, that one.
Daddy, can you get that big one?
The white one. Is this,
Yeah, the white one.
can you see how much?
Take it.
How much? Check mo muna. Be careful, breathe. How much ito? There's a price. Wait, baby. Hmm?
How much is it?
50. How about the fox? Let's find something ano kasi. 90. And this one, it's the same. No, it's not. It's 11, parang 9. Ah, wala kasi. Meron din nila ganyan. What? 19 yan. Yes, hello. They also have socks and tops. Oh, ito, bag, oh. Bag 29. Ito sana, oh, parang si Ambush. How much is this?
It's a squirrel. It's a squirrel.
Ah, squirrel. May ice. They have ice cream. Isa lang. Alright, let's move. Here, wala dito. You show them. What did you buy? It's a polar bear.
I want to take up these.
Daddy will do.
Daddy, can you take?
Ask them to take off because I
Oo,
don't
pwede mo ipakat, babe. So, ipapakat. Wala na dyan? Oo, and... Kainan? Ay, picnic, kainan. Sa picnic table, pero wala tayong dala. Dapat pala dadali. Ang layo na natin. What that girl, Bill mo ko, girl. Kaya nga. Kaya nga. Order na lang tayo sa Shein. Sorry. Stone and shot. Alas 12 na, kaya gutom na ito. Nagluloko na eh. Buti kumain kayo, ako wala. Mani lang. Pwede naman palang dalhin yung pagkain. Nagkain sana tayo dyan, no?
Ipapasok natin dun sa
Kaya nga. Don't bring food. Ganun. Pwede naman pala. Oh, picture mo daw, ate. Habang may ganang magpa-picture. So, continue our adventure. Where? Ayun. There. Let's go. There. Yan, no? Brady. Ayun. Laki. So, living with the bearded one.
neighbor of the tundra.
Yeah.
What those bears? Polar bears.
What's the sound? Do they roar out there? Wait lang. At Daddy, ask Daddy.
Polar bear?
guys. I'm sorry, guys. The other one is there. You can't see it. Ayun. Ano kasi siya eh. Ayun o, nag-walking na siya. Ang laki niya, guys. Umiinom siya. Diyan ba siya umiinom? Oh my God! Ang cute! Put on your hoodie, Brie. It's cold. It's drinking on the pond. I don't know. No, yung nasa gitna daw. Ah, that's where the water coming from. It's like a tawag doon? It's like a poso, char. Dinudugo na yung ilong ko, guys. What do you call that? To the water outlet, inlet.
Water comes out.
Where the water comes out, guys. Yeah, cute. It's drinking. Okay, let's find some other place to go. So we're heading to the river, really? Brendan Hamilton. River Lodge naman tayo. Uy, baka pwedeng magpa-picture dito. Picture muna tayo, guys. You can see the other. Yeah, you sit down there. Oh, you can see it. Just wait for it. There, that one. Ayun siya, oh. Do you see it? Yeah. Ayan.
I want to see him.
It's so high. That's why you can see it.
It's too hard.
Ay, doon kay ate. Doon, oh. Otter daw yan, sabi ni ate. Oh, diba? Diyan lang siya, oh. Cute. Nilalaro niya yung ano.